or becomes a gender neutral, so that becomes a 0. Proceedings, PRO means no, and proceeding is used here as a pronoun followed by a comma. Whether becomes the adverb making civil to be a verb, or again is a neutral conjunction. Criminal also becomes a to. Now the reason criminal here becomes civil, if we do whether criminal or civil, or whether civil or criminal, or becomes a neutral conjunction, that whatever number appears before it would normally appear after it if a comma is used. If there is no comma, and this was become, let's say the word civil or criminal procedures, then this would be a 2, or it would be a 0, and criminal procedures would be a 3 and a 4, because we would have a two compound facts. Is an adverb, yes, making begin to become a pronoun, no. This becomes a pronoun. Is begun becomes an adverb. That becomes a verb. In is an adverb, making lenders possessive of judgment to now become a pronoun. Could is a future tense adverb. Results means no contract, used as a verb. In is an adverb, making the word foreclosure. For means the word no, of closure. So if you have no closure, they're advertising that the contract doesn't use legal sentence structure. They're saying that there is no closure for the modification of grammar within this terminology. So your documents that you're in possession of become a verb, in this case, an adjective. Foreclosure becomes an adjective of the pronoun of. The is an adverb, modifies the property to be a verb. Now PRO means no, PER is person, and TY is contract, no person contract. The reason they have a no person contract is if you look at your name on your mortgage, it's written in all uppercase spelling called a nom de guerre. The word nom de guerre means you're a dead person, and the synonym of that is pseudium. Or again becomes a conjunction. Other is an adverb, and OT means no, of her. Material is an adjective. Impairment, IM means no, vowel 2 consonants again. ENT is contract, so you have no paired contract. That becomes a pronoun, no, no, no. Of is an adverb, making lenders possessive to be a possessive of the adjective interest and the pronoun if. Now interest, IN means no. TER is terra, and EST is contract. So you have no earth contract when you have interest. As a result of our suing the mortgage companies, all the banks in the United States, and over 500 federal lawsuits filed at the Department of Justice and the Securities and Exchange Commission, the new language is to drop the word interest and charge rent on all your borrowed money. Same thing as the Arab worlds do with their money, with the Muslim religion. The word the now becomes a adverb, modifies the word property. PRO is no, PER is person, and TY is contract, or is your conjunction. Rights is a pronoun. You have no rights. Now, when it comes to the word rights, I once said to a judge in 1985, I have rights. The judge says, a fox has a right to eat, and a chicken has a right to eat. Enough said about rights. Think about it. The word rights now becomes a pronoun. The word under means no contract. Under is an adverb, modifies the adverb this, and security becomes an adjective of the word instrument. IN means no. It's used also as a pronoun. STRU means from the word construction, and ENT is contract. So you have no construction contract. Why is that? Well, if it's a no construction contract written in adverb verb, or adverb adjective pronoun, you have a color of security. Under now removes it from the plane of level playing field. So we can read this backwards, except for one small detail. There's no facts in the sentence. So where we started off with 43 words, we now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. We have 57 mistakes out of 43 words in this sentence. So when we go to reconstruct this document, the document is actually saying that this is in error. You don't have a contract because all these words, when you look up the value of these words based on these numbers, you will not find a definition in the dictionary. Now, if you take, what is the lawyer going to do, or an attorney? The attorney is going to take this sentence and say, that makes sense to him, and we're going to go ahead and say that this is the fact, and we're going to file a complaint from an attorney. So we went ahead and we wrote up the attorney's answer. A true, which now becomes a verb. Truth is not a verb. It's a condition of state. And is a conjunction. Correct copy becomes an adjective pronoun. Of is an adverb, making which to be a verb. Is an adverb, making attraction to be a attached. Is a no contract. Adjective. The ed is in past time, voiding the now time of hereto becoming a pronoun. As is an adverb, making exhibit to be a no contract. And because this is in quotation marks, exhibit A, it's been removed from the paper. Because the exhibit that they are presenting to the court is also void. The same thing as the lawsuit is void. Plaintiff, Emerson, purchased, ed, in this case, that's a pronoun. All is the adverb of all 2 consonants. Not only is the word all is a very unique word because it can't be proven. It's a vowel and 2 consonants because you can never prove all. The only way to prove all is do a handstand. Let your feet dangle in a sea of space and hold planet Earth up in your hands. That's what all means. All rights then becomes the verb. And conjunction, interest. Again, no earth contract. And that becomes a pronoun because of the word and. So interest becomes the adverb, making in to become an adverb. And is a conjunction. To becomes the pronoun, thus the adverb, making real, re means no, contract as an adjective of the property, pro, no, per, person, ty, contract, as a pronoun, no, set forth as an adverb verb in Emerson Corporation. And even though now, when they write corporation with an abbreviation and put a period, it breaks the continuance because it's a abbreviation. Then you go back here to the word by, becomes a pronoun because it's a word used by itself, and becomes a conjunction. Through its attorney. Here the word through is used as a pronoun. Its is an adverb, making attorney to be a verb, and this conjunction. Request means no quest, as a pronoun. That default, again, no fault. It's a no fault judgment used as a pronoun. The word ju means no, law. Be is an adverb. Hereby is an adverb. Entered, en means no. It means no earth in past time. So that's used as a verb. In favor, adverb verb. Of is an adverb plaintiff, which becomes a dangling participle verb to end the sentence. So the attorney is saying that you pick out the key words. The attorney is saying that there is no fault, there is no earth interest, there are no quests, and there is no earth in past time. The word judgment, when you look it up, says opinion. The letter O is used as a single syllable. P-I-N means to join together, and I-O-N means contract. So you have no joining contract. That's what an opinion is. That's called parse.